Okay, so this will be the assembly of a box that is coming your way. To begin, we're going to start with the slider panel first. First start off with the two panels marked A. So there's an A front and an A back. Those are going to help you interweave them in order to determine the proper sliding. So on the A back one, the first step will be to fold this back. Then taking some glue or double side tape, going 2 strips down, fold over to it here, give it a roll, and that's good. Now interweave, the A will be in the back and the A front will line up. Now the trick will be to actually sliding the components together to interweave. Like so. And the A front will cover the A back. Notice when you flip it over, these corners will line up together. Next, take some Scotch tape. This just helps hold the pieces together, but still allows for them to slide. Just rolled over the top, like so. Do the same thing at the bottom side. Once that's done, you can put that off to the side. Next part we'll do are the B's. Again, they're labeled B back, B front. Now these ones will get slid through. Like so. Covering the tabs, and the edges will line up. Take some more Scotch tape. Over the top. And at the bottom. The next step now will be to take both pieces and intertwine them together. The B's will sit in front of the A's. Sometimes it's easier to go from the top to line everything up. You can see how the panels start to interlace with each other. Now, if they've been interlaced correctly, you can see as you start to slide it forward, each one will be coming through, and that's what we're looking for. So you can slide that all the way forward, set the corners line up, and then that component is done. Now the next step will be to apply this into the lid portion. So this is going to be our lid. Simply take, flip to the inside, we'll have non-lamination on it. Pre-break the scores tend to help when folding up later. You can leave it like that. The way that this will line up is the pull tab will go over here. You can see it just like that's how we're going to put it in. But before we start gluing up the sides, just take a piece of tape, run it right along the edge, just a few inches or so right along that crease. We'll take this in, give it a little press for it to be in. Now the next step, we apply some tape on all these flaps that fold over, these 3 sides. Then fold the piece over. over. Should be able to continue to pull and push back the slider. End of that step. Okay, the next step will be to assemble the box portion. You'll be receiving die-cut glued pieces just like this at the time of order. First step would just be to form open the box, breaking some screws there. You can start off by closing one end of the box. The lock and tab goes in. Put that off to the side just for a second. You also then need to take the foam pieces. There'll be two different cutouts. They'll be sent to you. The first step will be to remove these two pieces from this foam portion. Set them off to the side. We'll need those in a little bit. Then this will go into the box first. The thicker border part being placed along the top here. So you can put it to the bottom of the box, like so. Next, take this cutout piece and take two magnets that we'll have sent to you. They look just like this. And just take a small piece of tape, roughly about an inch or so, inch and a half, right along the edge of the bottom here from the corners. A little tape on there. And take the magnets, stick them on, like so. And then take this piece, put the foam into the carton, close up this end, so, lock it in, and there. Next, we're going to need these other insert pieces that will be sent to you. Start by folding down these portions. This thumb tab pushes in, like so. This side down. We break that back. That side down, like so. There's the two foam blocks we had from before. The one with the cutout will go inside along the top. Right in. And that'll help hold that piece of paperboard back. And take the next piece. Slide that in. First piece to go into the aperture will be this larger one. With these two perforated cuts here, fold back. Little dog ears here, fold forward. Same thing on the other side. Fold back, fold forward. Then the thumb cut portion will go along the top. But first, we'll put this in like so. Taking the dog ears to tuck them underneath the paperboard but above the foam. Now these portions we're going to fold down, and this will fold back onto itself, like so. Same thing up here. Now this also has another one of these thumb cutouts that'll break back into itself like that. You'll have that sort of set up. Next, take this insert piece, again with the purse, fold back onto itself. Dog ears down. Purse back onto itself. Dog ears down. It'll go in on the side, like this. Now because there's the two foam layers in there, we'll be tucking in between the two foam layers with the dog ears. So, and that will be that insert. These portions just fold down like that. This piece folds down there, there, there. This portion has another thumb cutout which folds back onto itself like that. That helps just to pre-break those scores. Now take this insert, fold down on these four tabs, bring these ones back onto itself like that. This will help create some tuck-in locks. the insert. Push it down into the cavity. Little tabs up and under. So, at this cavity, push those down like that. Take our last insert piece, fold that side like that, carry like that, that end down. This end will fold up and then back to create sort of a lifting tab. Placing it into this cavity with the tab at the top section of it. Now, get the lid piece and pre-break this score here. Let's take 2 long pieces of tape. I'm going to square up the corners and just fold this spine back. I'm going to rub and open it back up. Now there'll be 2 plates, metal plates, that have a little foam tape backing to them. Just peel those portions off. Place one on the magnet with the tape part up. And do the same thing with the other one on the other magnet. And bring the lid back down. Give it a good press on those magnets to engage it. Bring it up, and then just give it a little extra support onto it. Closing the box, you're complete.
Good job.